Well, with all of the civil unrest that has happened within the past month in Memphis, it is important that we're taking care of our mental and emotional health during these times. Our Lakita Johnson spoke with a mental health professional about what you can do to process your thoughts and emotions a little bit better. Good morning, Lakita.
Good morning, Aaron. Well, mental health is just as important as your physical health, and just being quite transparent, the death of Tyre Nichols hit too close to home for me, and I'm sure for many of you. Maybe you've not known what to think or say, but licensed clinical social worker Diavola Ford says police brutality has become a public health problem. That's why now more than ever, pouring into yourself is important. Take a look.
We're seeing our bodies on the screen, and like you said, it can be I can relate to this. This could have been my brother. This could have been my significant other. This could have been me, right? So we feel alone in this.
Diavola Ford says finding ways to cope is key and can look different for everyone, but should consist of extensive self-care and multiple self-check-ins daily.
That may be logging out of social media for 30 minutes or an hour or a day or longer than that. It may be taking a deep breath. It may be journaling. It could be exercising. A lot of times when we're seeing this footage, it releases this stress hormone in us, right? And it's called cortisol, and it really is connected to anxiety.
She says you can alleviate that stress hormone through sweating and drinking more water. Crying can also help with being present with your emotions.
I think a lot of times in our community, we're not given that safe space to just be vulnerable and say, I don't have it, or this is too much for me. And creating those safe spaces within your community.
Ford recommends that you have a supportive tribe of loved ones that you can turn to.
I definitely believe wholeheartedly that therapy is such an essential piece in working through trauma, but everybody doesn't have access to that, right? So community is really how we kind of decrease those feelings. Who can I go to? We all need to have a friend, a colleague, a family member where we can be like, hey, so what's really going on?
Yeah, and if you are insured, you can check with your company to see if they offer any therapy sessions. You know, you can get a certain amount for free and then start paying for the rest. But if you're not insured, we do have a list of resources on our website at abc24.com. You can check those out. Back to you.